Hey everyone, it's Jonas, and in this little bonus video, I want to show you how I ranked, as of right now, number 2 for rent-to-own homes in Florida. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck is that? I'm not going to go too much into that, but I just want to show you that you can actually use a very simple method to rank videos in other niches as well. It doesn't have to be the make money online niche or anything like that. So I just want to give you like a little case study here of another niche, like completely different. And I've been monetizing this one with a max bounty CPL offer, and we can see here I uploaded this one year ago, and just to show you that this is actually mine, we can see here in the at the bottom of this page right now that the link ends on MJY. So if we go back to my channel here and we'll take a look, I'll just copy this page and we'll paste this, we can see that it's the same one, MJY. And if I click this one, you'll also be able to see me here. So let me just do that. You can see that that's totally me. So let me show you how I did this. And also we can see here 846 views. This one I think I bought views to, and I don't think it's ranking very well. This one I'm actually pretty sure I didn't buy views for. This one I think I did. But this is actually the one that's bringing in most of the money, I'm assuming, but I'm actually getting a decent amount of traffic to this one as well. And anyway, I just wanted to show you the results, and before I even show you my max bounty stats, I know that it is not going to impress you. That's not the point. What I want to say here is, if we take a look at this first, we can see that this whole channel has got 3 videos in total. One is 38 seconds long, one is 39 seconds long, and then this one, the longest video, is 1 minute and 46 seconds. The only thing I'm doing here, feel free to go and watch it, is I'm basically just telling people that if they go to the website below, they'll come to a page where they can get help with finding rent-to-own homes. That's pretty much it. I mean, 38 seconds long. So all in all, these videos are roughly 3 minutes long. And they've made me, in the last year, roughly $200, because as you can see here it says sub ID not set. This is actually from YouTube as well, and the one that says YT is of course YouTube, so $104 there, and then sub ID not set, $92.90. Maybe like $5 or something isn't from YouTube, but let's say $190 in total. That's roughly $16 per month. And again, as I said, I know that this is not a lot of money. I'm not showing you this video to brag. That would be kind of weird if I did. I want to show you that just 1 or 2 videos can make you some pretty nice passive income. So we can see I uploaded this one back in 2016, but I decided to do the stats from last year, so on the 15th of January. Of June until now. Today it's the 15th of June as of right now. And so as you can see, $200 in a year, again, as I said, not a lot of money, but it's from 2 videos. They're roughly 2.5 minutes long, if you combine the length of them. And it's been making me roughly $16 per month, every month since in the last year, without me doing absolutely anything at all. I haven't touched these videos at all in over a year. So my point here is, why don't you make something like this and you make more than 3 videos? You make one, for example, I don't know if you want to go into the rent-to-own niche, that's completely up to you. But I mean, do one for rent-to-own homes in another state, and do like 20 other states, and go more into like specific parts of Florida as well. Do rent-to-own homes in Orlando, rent-to-own homes in Jacksonville. And now each of these videos are not going to give you a whole lot of views per month, but it will add up for sure. So you can absolutely make a decent amount of money with just a few videos. But I mean, if they're going to take you like 30-40 seconds to record, just record one, or just record a lot of videos. And again, as I said, you don't need to go into this niche. This is just an example to show you that you can actually rank videos in other niches as well. So again, this one's ranked number 2 right now for rent-to-own homes in Florida. I think I'm ranked fairly well for rent-to-own homes in Miami as well. Yeah, I'm actually ranked number 1 for that one. I don't think I'm ranked for like Orlando and things. I am actually number 3. Let's try Jacksonville. I don't think, I doubt I'm ranked there. Yeah, I'm not ranked for that one. But then I'm also ranked for, you can see the other keyword here, which is cheap rent-to-own homes. So if we type in cheap rent-to-own homes, I'm not ranked very well here. I think like number 7 or something, and I'm getting a decent amount of views to that one as well. If I go down to my analytics here, and just for the last month, we can see that I have gotten a total, okay, so last 28 days, 147 views. And if you take a look at the videos by themselves, so rent to own homes with bad credit, not really getting any traffic at all to that one, so 17 views. Rent to own homes in Florida, 58 views, and then cheap rent to own homes, 72 views. Now they're coming from YouTube search, and a lot of them is coming from suggested videos. So that's pretty cool. And what else did I want to show you now? I don't think I'm ranking for rent to own with, let's see, rent to own homes with bad credit. Nah, not really ranking anywhere for that one. Oh, there we go. As I said, I kind of ruined this one. I bought too many views, and that's not something that I'm doing anymore. So let me show you what I did do instead. I'll show you the example of rent-to-own homes in Florida, and it was very simple. So here's what I did. I went to Fiverr, and I bought this gig. It says do 60 PR4 plus blog comments backlinks. I bought 2 of these, so $10.50 in total. I think this will be $11 now with the new fees and stuff. But basically what he's asking for, you don't need to buy from this guy either, but just buy some blog comments. Or you can actually buy social signals as well. That's something that I actually did buy as well. But anyway, what they're going to ask you typically is your website URL and your keywords. So what I provided him with was my website URL and just 2 keywords: rent-to-own homes in Florida, rent-to-own homes in Florida with bad credit. That was it. And we can see this, it's been a while since I ordered this one, almost 2 years to the date. That was yesterday, 2 years ago. So this was one. $10.50. Again, just go to fiverr.com, and maybe I'll just drop a link below. If not, go to fiverr.com and just type in best provider, because that's his name. The gig is going to look like this. And if you want to buy 2, you can start off with just buying 1 for $5. And if you're not ranked where you want to be ranked after, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, buy another one if you want. But I did this. I just clicked 2, so I got 10 of them. I ordered, and as you can see, what I gave them, like the information was rent-to-own homes in Florida, rent-to-own homes in Florida with bad credit. That was it. And I did the same on the other ones as well, as like cheap rent-to-own homes. Anyway, I also bought 1 more gig, and it was this one. So it says embed video or Google Map on 311 social, 125 Web 2.0 SendWire plus PBA and embed. Now I bought this one on a site called Conquer.io, and this cost me $5. And it's going to be a lot of text, so this kind of freaked me out at first. I was like, what the heck? This sounds super complicated. But ultimately, what I ended up doing was I gave them my link to my video, gave them a couple different keywords here. That was it. Thank you, Jonas. That's it. July 18th, 2016. So it's been a while since I did this as well. And the video is still ranking 2 years later, which is pretty cool. So that's it. That's literally all I did. This gig is going to look like this. You can see here as well, 5. So out of 560 reviews, 557 of them are positive. There's 3 negative ones, so 99.13% positive ratings. Again, if you want to sign up here, just go to Conquer.io, sign up, and you are then going to, you can just search for honorable SEO, and you'll find his gig here. So embed video or Google Map, like it says here. And there's a couple of different packages you can use. But as you can see, I just got the bronze package for $5, and that did the trick for me. So that's what I would do as well. What else was there on to show you? I think we're pretty much done right now. Just talk and talk and talk. But that's the strategy I did for rent-to-own homes in Florida, and that is the video that is ranking the best. But even though, as you can see, cheap rent-to-own homes, if I go back here, let's look at cheap rent-to-own homes, you'll see that I'm not ranking very well, but I'm still getting a lot of suggested traffic to it. So it's ranked, I don't know, some people might go down here and like click a few of these videos and eventually find me as possible, but most of these, actually let's take a look and see if I can find the analytics for that specific video. Should be able to do that. That one. I'm going to assume that it's mostly from, yeah, so most of it actually is from suggested videos, 43%, which basically means that if someone types in cheap rental homes, for example, and maybe they click this guy, I'm going to show up at the corner here, and they're going to click to my video from this video. That's what's going to happen. But it was actually 40% search as well, which is pretty cool, because that means that roughly like 30 people ended up scrolling down. So even if you're not ranked at the top, you can still get a lot of traffic. So that's what you're going to get there. And I think that was actually it. That's just what I wanted to do, like a little case study of ranking in other niches. I've got other videos as well that I'm not going to show, but it's the same process when it comes to ranking all of these. or what I've done anyway. So just get some backlinks here, but you can start with $5. Depends on what you want to go into. If you want to try and rank for just rent to own homes, that's going to take a little bit more. I don't think I'm ranked very well for that term. I think I am ranked on page 1, but not like somewhere at okay, actually pretty decent. But yeah, generally speaking, if you want to rank for harder terms, you'll need to buy more backlinks. You need to spread it out a little bit more and not just do like 120 blog comments link and all of it basically says rent to own homes in Florida. But yeah, this is what's working for me. And this is what I've been doing a little bit on this side when I want to rank. And I mean, I've actually been very tempted to do a video like this for pretty much every state in the US. And maybe I will, or maybe you will. If you do it, please let me know how much money you're making from it. And I'm pretty sure you will actually, because you can see my results as well. And I actually got a sale from this one the other day. Hasn't made me a lot this month, but I did get one. I'll show you. So rent to own helper, $4.40. I think this one was YouTube as well. Yeah, YouTube. So again, nothing super impressive for me right now, the results that I'm showing, but it's from 2 or 3 videos. And I mean, let's say you were to just double that. Well, let's say you 10x it. You got 3 videos. Let's say you upload 30 videos. That could be over or roughly $2,000 per year or more. I'm sure you'll find some winners as well that bring in way more. So that's from just 30 videos that could take you like 30 to 60 seconds to review and upload, and then you just do this, and after a couple of days or weeks, to be ranked. But again, don't just go into this niche. Take a look at Max Bounty, for example, if you're there, if you, I don't know, ClickBank or whatever. But try to get an account with Max Bounty, and yeah, that's it. I mean, you can do From You Flowers. I mean, it's something that I thought of just right away when I saw this. You can probably do like flower delivery Jacksonville, something like that, and then you can rank that video, flower delivery in all kinds of different states. Just upload a really short video. Hey, if you want to get flowers delivered in Jacksonville, just go ahead and use the website below. They deliver flowers within 1 day or whatever, and you can just do that as well. You can get that kind of keyword on YouTube all over the place, and you get 6.4% of the sale, which probably isn't going to be a lot. But again, if you've got several of these videos that will take you a couple of seconds to record, I'm sure it would add up. So that's what I would do. And yeah, any questions, let me know. If not, have a fantastic day. I hope you liked this video. Again, Fiverr.com, type in best provider, get links here for like $5 or $10, and then go to Conquer.io. You can get this gig or just a similar gig on Fiverr as well if you can find one. Just social signals, Web 2.0. That's what I would do. And that's it. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon.